Hello, what's up you guys, it's me Mandy and welcome to the Gloriously Notorious. So sorry if my voice is slightly I don't know, disappearing or whatever, because like I have flu, but I've bought this cheap ass microphone to help me out. So today we are going to do an unboxing, anime surprise box unboxing. Before I start, let's backstory. So I love anime. I'm not entirely a weeb, but like I love watching animes, but yeah, I haven't watched every single one of it, but you know, I do watch some. I do like to buy some merch, anime merch and all that. As I scroll through my Shopee account, not sponsored, I found people selling anime surprise boxes, mystery boxes. So I'm like curious. So I've bought like 5 boxes, but I guess it's gonna be a series of me unboxing anime mystery boxes. I've received one with me today. This is, I guess, the most expensive out of 5 boxes that I've bought. This is a 50 ringgit anime surprise box, which I don't know if it's gonna worth as much, but as you can see here, I'll try to put a picture right here, whereby this shop created 4 types of boxes. So 15, 50, 75 and also 100 ringgit boxes. I thought 15 would be hard. 15 would be hard to judge, so I just went ahead and bought the 50 to be safe. The more product, the better you judge the shop if it's okay or not okay, right? So yeah, I've ordered it probably last 3 days. By the way, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and click the bell for notifications, and yeah, follow this series if you like surprise boxes and animes. And also they have themes. You can choose K-pop animes, and in animes you can choose like what the picture earlier. You can choose either the anime Free, the swimming club anime, the Tokyo Ghoul, and etc. So I chose Haikyuu simply because I am currently watching Haikyuu. I'm on season 2 right now. Yes, I'm so late to the party, but I mean, it's never too late, right, watching anime. So I was actually trying to search for Boku no Hero Academia, but apparently we have to request. I guess request would take a longer time. Haikyuu is one of the presets, so I just chose Haikyuu instead. Maybe if it's good, I would probably request for My Hero Academia. Oh, this is the box. I don't know, it's like 6 inch by 6 inch. It's a, oh, we got a sticker right here. I guess this is the top. It's so light. I don't know if it's worth 50, but we'll see. This is too cute to be ruined. What sticker is this? You know what? If you know what anime this is, please put your comment down below, because I don't know what it is. Like I say, I'm not a total weeb, but I watch anime since forever. But there's a time where I just like I didn't watch any anime. My rebellious face. But yeah, currently I'm trying to watch as much as I can, and like the current one is Goku Shufudo, the way of house husband. Yeah, that's the one. I'm trying not to look what's inside, just to be, you know. For 50 ringgit is acrylic stand, small. It's either or whatever, I don't know. Acrylic stand, small figure, poster, scroll, badge, stickers, strap, keychain file mini cover poster. So I don't know if I get all of them or some of them or whatever, but we'll see. So I'll get the biggest one right here right now. This one. This is not Haikyuu. So this is a file. This is a file. What cartoon is this? Wait, I think I know, but I didn't. This is not Haikyuu. I asked for Haikyuu, isn't it? Okay, so this is not Haikyuu, but it is a good file. I love this kind of file. You can just like slide in like a few papers or even more, but I don't mind. This is cute. I guess this wasn't this the I know this is this toy, but like I don't know the whole anime about this, but yeah, this is cool. I'm fine with it. Okay, one. Next is we have a scroll, and I can see Nishinoya. It's a Nishinoya scroll. Oh, aka Kachan in Boku no Hero Academia. I guess everyone watches Haikyuu, but he is the libero of Karasu no Hai. Yeah, he's cute and very energetic. By the way, my favorite character in Haikyuu, I don't say character because I like a few. So I like from Karasuno, I love Asahi. I love like Asahi and Suki, as opposed to people like Hinata and Kageyama. But yeah, I like Kageyama too, but like not Hinata. I guess he's too small. So I like Asahi and yeah, Suki and probably Kageyama. But I love Kuro, Chef's Kiss, and Antes. That's a different story, but yeah, we got Nishinoya. Wait, I need to like scroll this back. But this is cute though. The printing is okay, not too shady, not too bad. So we got 2 items. Next is, let's just this is a fox, but I don't know what character is this. I'm so sad. Rascal. But this is cute. This, I feel like I could give this to my niece. I think she'll love it. But I think I'll keep it also. I don't know, it depends. We'll see. Next we have oh girl. We got Kageyama Tobio. Okay. This is a pillow cover, a square pillow cover of Tobio Kageyama from Karasuno High School. And also, if we flip it, we get Hinata Shoyo of Karasuno High School. Oh! This is random, y'all. This is super random, but I don't mind though. This is cute. Seta and Bloka. Oh my god, this is cute though. This is weird and it's cute. I was like, I'm genuinely surprised, but this is making me happy. Not you, Hinata. Yes, you Kageyama. Okay, this is cute. As of right now, we have 2 non-Haikyuu items and two Haikyuu items. So next we have 4 items right now. Today, oh, it's Suga. Yes, boy, the sweetest boy, Suga Koshi Sugawara, the setter, the senior setter. Aww, this is cute. Suga is cute. Suga is the sweetest yet brilliant setter. I believe he is much more full of ideas rather than Daichi, the captain himself. But yeah, 3 Haikyuu items now. So the next one is another Suga. This is I guess a phone strap. It flows. It's Suga again. Number 2, Mr. Number 2. Oh, he's floating. So I can use this phone strap. Whoa. Okay, my mic is giving up on me. I'm in the stand. But yeah. So we have currently 4 Haikyuu items. Next is, oh, it's a bench. I'm supercharging. So this is a Minecraft. Yeah, my cat is apparently calling for me, but yeah. Yo, stand. This is the Minecraft. So 3 non-Haikyuus, 4 Haikyuus. I guess we have the last one. Oh, is it Leah? Wait, isn't Leah? I guess this is Leah. I got another badge. Nekoma. Is this Leah? Leah Haiba? Wait, I love that boy. The Russian boy. It's supposed to be Russian, right? Half Russian, half Japanese. But like, he can't speak Russian. But isn't this him? Leah Haiba? Y'all, upon confirmation, this is Leah Haiba. I struck with luck, I guess. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me. Wait. I'm so bad with counting things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. I'm just 5 Haikyuu items and 3 non-Haikyuu items. So total of 8 items for 50 ringgit. So we don't have any stickers now. Are these worth the money? I guess so. No, I don't. Wait, let me see. Because I asked for Haikyuu, so I thought that I would get fully Haikyuu items, but surprisingly I didn't. I'm like holding my own phone stand. Okay, let's do a small accounting shed. Okay, so this can cost you probably about 5 ringgit. This is like 2 ringgit. If this is original, I believe it is original. This can cost you probably about 10 ringgit. So that would be 17 ringgit. I'm not sure about this, how original this is. I guess this is a bootleg, obviously. No tagging or whatever. So I guess this would be, I'll take this as 5 ringgit. 5, 17, 22. This is a good acrylic keychain. I'm not sure if it's original, but I believe it is, because there's like, if you can see, there's I don't know, the markings is a bit different. The quality feels different, like doesn't have like sharp edges or whatever. So I guess this is a real one. Let's put it as a real acrylic, or it's just a good acrylic. Probably it's like 5 ringgit. 5, 10, 10, 10, 10, 17, 27, 27. So this is obviously bootleg. Probably another 5 ringgit. 47, 32. 32. This is, I'm not sure, this is probably fake. Let's just say 35 now. 35. This scroll is probably 10 ringgit. 35, 45. So I'm short by 5 ringgit, but it's okay. I've probably miscount some things. Probably this could be like even more than it should be. Probably even the acrylic is more than it should be. But yeah, overall, am I happy? Okay, I'm okay with that. I mean, many of the things I can use, but not all the characters that I like, but okay, I'm still okay with it. Or will I repeat order with a different theme? Probably. You guys, please leave a comment down below if you guys want to see me try the other 3 boxes from the same shop, which I'll put the name of the shop somewhere here. If you guys feel that it's worth the money or it's not, comment down below. If you guys want to see more, which I will be doing more, obviously. Maybe comment if you guys want to see of more of me trying from the same shop but with another anime, with another range price, 15, 75 or 100. And also, yeah, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, click the bell button for notifications, and watch and like other videos, and follow my other channel, which is Oh My God Legally Fab. You guys can follow my Twitch channel, which I will put the link down below. And yeah, definitely subscribe. And also, if you guys want to see more anime content, me talking about animes or like whatever reviews or whatever, please do comment down below. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.